Wait, oh, good morning. Sorry, I didn't realize I was pulling something sticky off my dog's paw. It's a flower stick to her from the rhododendron bush. So if you hear that wild, high-pitched noise from my video here, that is cicadas. And boy, they get loud at night when the world quiets. And that's birds and chipmunks and starlings. So this is my backyard of my apartment living. And these two are my window here. Now, my bottom window I don't keep up during the night. I lock them more because I'm afraid of intruders and I don't want them coming in my house. Even though I'm probably the highest one off the ground down here. But listen to those cicadas as I go in.